I have recently been working on coding my very first ARPG using the tutorials here on YouTube by MakerTech. So far, it has everything you could ever wish for in a basic ARPG. You can fight enemies, you can die, you can go behind trees, but one thing that I didn't really consider before making this is where I was going to take it. I was sort of blindly following this tutorial, seeing the way that MakerTech shows off this information and learning from this lesson without really considering what my end goal was. And that's a problem in this tutorial because, one, as far as I know, it's unfinished. But then also, two, the point of the tutorial is never to make a full playable game. It's just teaching you some basic concepts to put in your own ARPG. And so I've come to this point now where I'm not really sure what I want to do with this. I've put in everything that I want this to have. I'm really proud of myself for really understanding some of the things that MakerTech has been teaching in this tutorial series and recognizing the way things have been working. One of my biggest goals in coding right now is being able to get to a point where I feel like I don't need a tutorial series to hold my hand in order to understand these concepts. And this felt like a big step in that direction of feeling like I could maybe make a basic game all by myself. But one of my other goals with every game that I make is talking about them and showing them off on my gaming channel. And with something like this, there's not really a lot to show. So I'm unsure of what I want to do with this in the future. As it is now, it is a great tutorial for learning all these different concepts. I feel like, as I said, I am more confident in my abilities to code without a tutorial, and I'm more confident to hop into another game using these sorts of concepts that I have learned throughout my journey and make something all by myself. But what do I show off with this? What is the ultimate end goal of this project? That's not something that I considered before making it, and I found myself running into a wall where I don't know what to do now with this. I'm debating whether I want to create a little bit more of a story, continue this on, and create a small, full ARPG, or if I just want to say, you know what? This is good here as a tutorial, and I should end this here. So I will be thinking of that in the background. Currently, though, I think I'm going to take a pause from this ARPG, and I'm going to create something new, something small, something that I feel like I can make by myself and really test my abilities. So we will see in the future what that brings and whether or not I can do something like that all by myself. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes view on this ARPG as it is right now, how far I have made through this, and just let you guys know that I don't know what I want to do with it next, but there has been progress made and I'm quite happy with it.